Drive right past the gas pumps in the sporty one-owner 5-speed fuel sipper. Hard to find big MPG car for this kind of money. Loaded with black leather seating with suede inserts, power moonroof, spoiler, alloys, and 6-disc CD changer. Let savings at the pump pay for this car in a hurry. Focus EX4 Street, 5-speed manual, and charcoal with leather preferred suede trimmed sport bucket seats. Super gas saver. One owner. Are you still driving around that old thing? Come on down today and get into this terrific 2005 Ford Focus. One of the best things about this car is something you can't see, but you'll be thankful for it every time you pull up to the pump. Fuel efficiency is where it's at now, and this Ford's got it. New Car Test Drive called it. More comfortable than some of the other compact cars, with roomy, cushy seats and a nice balance between a soft, smooth ride and responsive handling. It feels more European than Japanese or American in demeanor and refined for the class.